Hello everyone, it's Ralph Dak here, and today I'm bringing you a simple unboxing video of the Seagate expansion 1TB hard drive. Let's get started. Alright, let's open this up. So the packaging is very good. Let's open this. Alright, so this thing comes with an instruction on top, like explains everything about the hard drive itself. Okay, so it accepts USB 3.0 and USB 2.0 apparently, and that's really great to know, because the new laptops and computers have a USB 3.0 hub, and that's really good. It like increases the transfer speeds. And here's the hard drive itself. Let's open it up. I would say that this hard drive is the most cheapest and fastest in its category, and it offers insane amounts of speed. And at the same time, the design, guys, is amazing. So as you can see here, the design is really cool. I have so much stuff to put on this thing, and this will probably be my daily driver. Alright, this hard drive comes with its own unique port, guys. It has its own port. Now, that's the only downside to this hard drive, but as soon as you have this cable here that came with the packaging itself, you'll be good. And actually I would say it's a good thing, because like nobody can like take your data from the drive if they don't have this cable, and it's a good security addition, I would say. And the way this works, so basically just plug this in the drive itself, and this end in your laptop, and you're good to go, guys. Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning, babe. Here's some pros of this hard drive. So the Seagate's expansion portable drive is quite fast and offers a lot of storage for the money. Especially expansion's new model, which is this one, is way cheaper than the old model. Now, the portable drive is small and good looking, which makes it ideal for gamers and photographers. Now, the cons of this drive is that, as I said already, the warranty is just 1 year, and it comes with no backup software, and it's lacking any security features. Alright guys, that's it for the video for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.